How to download PUBG Mobile and iPhone 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to download PUBG Mobile and iPhone 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, you just need to head over to your app store and make sure that you're signed into your Apple ID. Now once you have done that, just click on the search bar right here and then click on the search and search for PUBG right here, and then this will load like this. So let's just wait for it. So as you can see, here's PUBG, so just click on that and click on get in order to download it. So one tip for you, it's actually available in Philippines, so if it's not available to your country, just change your Apple ID country to Philippines and you can download it. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to download PUBG Mobile and iPhone 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.